Hey guys, so we are in right now. We just finished moving in to our drone position in this garage here. Last position in the tree lines got completely destroyed by Russians, so we lost lots of gear, and now we had to set up another one. So I'm gonna show you around.
Yo bro, the new collection just dropped. The design is awesome. So if you want to support the channel, doseofreedom.com. Link in the description. Cheers.
Turning here, and our generator is inside those little shed here. Guys, like, it's very important to have a thermal starting cover. We don't have one now, but if you're fighting in Ukraine, make sure to make one, to get one. So that's the house besides our positions. Like, everything, like, there's still a lot of stuff inside from previous owners. I don't know exactly when they left, but the house is still pretty in good shape, I will say. It's sad, man, like, there's kid stuff everywhere. But yeah. So that's the house. Obviously, we don't stay in the house. We stay in the cellar down in the garage. Look at the aquarium here. No more fish. And what is good though is in those houses in Ukraine, stove is with gas. So even though there is no electricity, I still can come here, make some warm water, cook some oatmeal, some stuff like that. So man, it's a huge moral booster. Otherwise, we have like things to cook, but for this rotation we forgot because it got blown up in the last position. So anyway, look, found a pack of snacks here, very good. So this village here is mainly, it's all like Ukrainian military. Just drone, mortars falling, artillery. And yeah, there are some Russian sabotage group trying to infiltrate from behind our lines. So we have to be very careful. But yeah, this house is a pretty decent shape still. We took some pillows and some sheets from the room there, brought it down below. I mean, yeah. So every time we are about to go outside, just take a moment and just listen for buzzing sound and drones. Today is a very good day for drones to fly, so we have to be extra careful. So now it's good. For our bathroom, the boys set up inside here somewhere to take a shit. I'm not sure where, like oh, it's right there. Nice toilet here. Great. I want to show you here, look, the nice old school car. Yeah, look at that. Probably still working, just need some love. That's the garage. Cold as hell. Look at that. Yeah. And we're down there.
Мінус. Все, плюс.